Hello everyone, welcome to Harshi class. I am Rani. Today we are going to study about class 6 mathematics chapter 3 playing with numbers. In that first part, that is introduction of factors and multiples. Factors. A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Example, factors of number 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. 6 is completely divisible by 1. 1 6 are 6. 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 6 1s are 6. So 6 is completely divisible by 1, 2, 3 and 6 without leaving any remainder. There are few properties of factors. In that first one, 1 is a factor of every number. We know that every number is divisible by 1. 7, 1 sevens are 7. 12, 1 12, 12. In this way, every number is divisible by 1 without leaving any remainder. So, 1 is a factor of every number. Every number is a factor of itself. Every number is a factor of itself. For example, 2. 2 is divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2. So, 2 is a factor of itself. In this way, every number is a factor of itself. 6. 6 ones are 6. Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. At the starting, we discussed that number 6, factors of number 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. We can divide 6 with number 1. 1 6 are 6. And also with 2. 2 3s are 6. Check with 3. 3 is also a factor of 6. 3 2s are 6. 0. Next factor is 6. 6 1s are 6. So, every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Exact divisor means the number which divides the given number without leaving any remainder. Factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. 1 20s are 20. 2 10s are 20. 4 5s are 20. 5 4s are 20. 10 2s are 20. 21s are 20. So 20 will come in every table. 20 is also divisible with all these numbers without leaving any remainder. So these are called the factors of 20. Next property. Every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Either the factor is equal to the given number or less than that. Factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. These are the factors of 36. 36, the last highest factor here is 36, which is equal to the number. Remaining factors are less than the number. Okay, we are saying that factors and 36 has these many factors. How to find the factors of the number? How to find the factors of the number? Here I am going to write the factors of number 36. Number 36. Starting from 1, I will check with each number. 136 are 36. 2 18s are 36. 3 12s are 36. 4 nines are 36. 6 6 are 36. Here I am not going to be write 5 because in 5 table 36 is not going to become. If you divide 36 with 5, you will get remainder 1. So 5 is not a factor of 36. 5 is not a factor of 36 because if you divide 36 with 5, it leaves a remainder of 1. So it is not a factor of 36. 7 table 35 will come, not 36. So it is also going to be leave remainder 1. 8 in the 8th table 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40. So 8 is also not going to be a factor of number 36. Next 9 fours are 36. 9 fours are 36. Usually while writing the factors, we need to check few points here. If the numbers start repeated, 4 and 9, these two numbers are already there. And 9 fours are and 4 nines are. Both are same. 9 fours, again they are going to repeat. So we will stop writing the factors here. Once the repetition start, we will stop writing the factors. Now the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. These are the factors of number 36. Here 6, 6 are 36. 6 came 2 times. But while writing the factors, we will write only 1 time. In this way, we can find the factors of every number. Factors of every number is either less than that or equals to the given number. Number of factors of a given number are finite. Finite means countable. Finite means countable. We can count the number of factors of a given number. It may be 36, a 2-digit number, or it may be a 5-digit number. For example, 10,000, 10,560 or more than that. It may be a 5-digit number or 6-digit number, but it is possible we can find the factors of the greatest numbers also, but it is a bit difficult process. Difficult, still it is countable, it is finite. Next, multiples. A multiple is the product that we get when one number is multiplied by another number. For example, 4 multiplied by 5 is equals to 20. When you multiply two numbers 4 and 5, we will get 20. Here 20 is a multiple. 20 is a multiple. Multiple of which numbers? Multiple of 4 and 5. 20 is a multiple of 4 and 5. 4 and 5 are the factors. 4 and 5 are the factors of 20. We know that factors are nothing but the numbers which divides the given number without leaving any remainder. 4 can divide 20 without leaving any remainder. 4 5s are 20. 5 also can divide 20. 5 4s are 20. So 4 and 5 are the factors of 20 and 20 is a multiple of 4 and 5. Properties of multiples. First property, every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. Example, multiples of 9. Multiples of number 9 are 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. These multiples are never ending. They are infinite. They are uncountable, infinite. Like numbers are infinite. Like that, multiples are also infinite. They are not, there is no ending for writing the multiples of a given number. The multiples of here, the multiples of 9 are starting from 9. Starting from 9, which is the number itself. Other multiples, if you check the other multiples of 9, they are greater than 9 only. It shows that the multiples of a number is either equal to the number or greater than that number. Next property, number of multiples of a given number is infinite, uncountable. Uncountable. Every number is a multiple of itself. Right. When we multiply any number, first any number with 1, the first one we got is the number itself only. 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. Here 6 is a multiple of number 6. Every number is a multiple of itself. Perfect number. A number for which sum of all its factors is equal to twice the number is called a perfect number. Sum of all its factors is equal to twice the number is called a perfect number. For example, number 6. First, we need to find the factors of number 6. For checking that whether the number 6 is a perfect number or not, first we need to write the factors of number 6. 1 6 are 6. 2 3s are 6. That means 6 is completely divisible by 1 and 2. 6 is also completely divisible by 3 and 6 also. Every multiple here, every multiple is completely divisible by with its factors. With its factors. Here 1 6 are 6. 1 and 6 are the factors of 6. 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. That means 2 and 3 completely divides the number 6. 3 twos are 6. That means 3 and 2 are going to be repetition. So we will stop writing the factors here because already 2 and 3 are there. Now the factors of number 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. Sum of all its factors means we need to add the factors. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 6 is equals to 12. Sum of all its factors is 12. It is equal to the twice the number. How to find the twice the number means here 2 6 are 12. Sum of all its factors is equals to twice the number. Sum of all its factors is 12 and twice the number also 12. So 6 is a perfect number. Example 2. Number 28. First write the factors of number 28. Starting from 1. 1 28s are 28. 28 is an even number, so it is completely divisible by 2 also. 2 14s are 28. 3 in the 3 table 28 is not going to become. 4 7s are 28. Next 5 6 in the 5th table 6th table 28 is not going to become. If we divide with 5 and 6 we will get some remainder. 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. But here already 7 and 4, these two numbers are there. Repetition started. Once the repetition of the number starts, we will stop writing the factors over there. That means the factors of the number are already written, completed. Here the factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Sum of these factors. Sum of these factors. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 14, 28. 28 plus 28 is equals to 56. Sum of these factors is 56. Now, twice the number. Two 28s are 56. So here, sum of all its factors is equal to twice the number. That means 28 is also a perfect number. 6 and 28 both are perfect numbers. Let's check that. Is 10 a perfect number? Is 10 a perfect number or not? Factors of 10. First write the factors of 10. 1 tens are 10. 2 fives are 10. 5 twos also 10. 5 twos are 10. But 2 and 5 already came in the here. So we will stop writing the repeated numbers. Now the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. These numbers are the factors of 10. 1, 2, 5 and 10. Sum of all these numbers is that 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 10, that is equals to 18. Sum of all its factors is 18. Now, twice the number. 2 tens are 20. 2 tens are 20. That means here, sum of all its factors is not equal to twice the number. So, 10. So, 10 is not a perfect number. 10 is not a perfect number because sum of all its factors are not equal to twice the number. Prime numbers. Numbers having only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. Those are the prime numbers. Factors of number 2 are 1 and 2. 1 twos are 2, 2 ones are 2. Only 1 and 2 can divide exactly the number 2. So the factors of 2 are 1 and 2. 3, 1 threes are 3, 3 ones are 3. 5, 5 also have two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. 7, 1, 7s are 7 and 7 ones are 7. Those numbers which have only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself, those are called prime numbers. There are total 25 prime numbers. There are total 25 prime numbers are there between 1 to 100. Between 1 to 100. Next one, composite numbers. Numbers having more than two factors are called composite numbers. The numbers which have more than two factors, they are called composite numbers. Examples: 4, 6, 8, 9. Examples of composite numbers are 4, 6, 8, 9. Let's see the factors of number 4. 4 is completely divisible by 1. 1 fours are 4. 2 twos are 4. 4 ones are 4. There are 3 factors. So it is a composite number. Factors of 6. Already we saw the factors of 6 in the previous slide. 1 6 are 6. 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 6 ones are 6. There are more than 2 factors. Like this, the numbers which have more than 2 factors, those are called composite numbers. There are few points which we need to remember. Here we discussed about prime numbers and composite numbers. In those numbers, 1 is not there because 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. We can say that 1 is a unique number which has only one factor. That is the number itself. 1 ones are 1. The only number which have only one factor, that is 1, it is neither a prime number nor a composite number. The smallest prime number is number 2. Here the smallest prime number is number 2, which is the only even number. The even prime number is number 2. The smallest prime number is number 2. Remaining all prime numbers are odd numbers. The only even prime number is number 2. What are even numbers? Numbers which are ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Numbers which are ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are called even numbers. That means the numbers which have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in their ones place, those are called even numbers. Those are completely divisible by 2. All the even numbers are completely divisible by 2. For example, 40, 2 20s are 40. It is ending with 0. It is completely divisible by 2. 362, here 2 in its ones place. 2 is there. It is an even number. It is completely divisible by 2. 6058. 6058 is also ending with an even. It is an even number ending with 8. It is completely divisible by 2. All the even numbers are divisible by 2. Next, odd numbers. The numbers which are ending with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are called odd numbers. These odd numbers are not going to be divisible by 2. 457. 457 ending with an odd number, that is 7. So it is not going to be divisible by 2. It leaves a remainder of 1. When we divide with a 2, it leaves a remainder of 1. So it is not, 2 is not a factor of these odd numbers. This is the introduction of factors and multiples. Basic points we covered in this video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.